Okay, gonna do the video. How's everybody? Gonna do the video, right? Gonna do the video on Jackson. Jackson 5. Jack in a box and Jackson 5. Jackson 5, Nina. Okay, so here is the design, how we get Jack in a box. First we design a box. Or we can spell it. Jackson 5. First I'm going to do the beginning for those who will stay, and then for those who want to leave. And we have 2. And we have 1. Now how do we get Jackson 5? Well, what we have to do is, since we have the 2 there, we're now going to have to put the 2 over here. And since we have the 1 here, we're going to have to put the 1 over here. Okay, so now we have sort of a reflection of everything. Right? Is that correct? Now how do we get the Jackson 5s and Jack in a box? Right? We're supposed to actually go Jackson, Nina, 9. If we filled out all the areas that we had to fill out, we would actually see that there are 9 in every box, correct? Now, when we connect to Jack in a box, all it is 1 between 2. 1 between 2. So we take 1, we put it between 2, we now have 3. So we have a 3, we have a 2, and inside the 2 is 1. So how many do we have? 5. Now we have the mirror of each other. We also have that design. 1 times 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 and 2 equals 4, and 1 equals 5. We now have 4 boxes. And everybody knows that a jack looks like an X. So we now have Jackson, Jack, the X, Jackson 5, okay, and his value is 1.25. The numeric value for Earth is 25. The numeric value for the memory is 512. The value for Mars is 15. The letter Y, the letter O, when you play a game of craps, they're always going yo, 11, which means you're on or you're off in the game of craps. Jack, the word Jack equals to 25. The word sun, okay, equals to a total of 48. 19 and 14 is 33, and 15 is 48. 25, 48. I just like to put the multiples out: 5 times 5 and 3 by 16. This one will create electric company inside of it, which is also a numeric value that is created when you go to the silver matrix, number 85. 85 and 55 come out to the same thing, the way 27 and 35 come out to the same thing. Multiply and add, multiply and add, multiply and add, multiply and add, you will see how they come out. So Jackson 5 is 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 equals to 3 equals to 2 equals to 5. When you have 3, okay, when you have 2, okay, and when you have 3, you have created your Jackson 5. Jackson in the box. So now how would you create the legs and the arms to each other, which way do we do it? Can we say this is the head? This can't be the leg, right? We'd have to have it this way. Anyways, this is my rendition, unfinished, of Jack in the Box. Okay, right? Now, like I said, that's what Jack looks like. The Jack is the 24th letter. It's also 10 in Roman numerals. At the same time, I wanted to show you another design of Jack in the Box, right? Jack, the V letter. Jackson 5, 5 is the V letter. Okay, now the question is, where did we connect the ones? The ones are now separated on each side. We connected all the ones are separated on each side. Here is where the 2 came from. Here is where the 2 came from. And this is the design we end up with. Where did the 2's come from? Here and here. So now would we have to go here? Or because it's in the center of these 2, we just relate it to this one. Do you see the way the box keeps it in the center? Over here. It's all a matter of I'm just doing art right now. I'm not coming up to any specific answer. I'm just doing art. 76. Multiplication, it becomes 15. Spirit of 76 is in Mars. The half-life landing on the moon, where all memory takes place. 2x and x. Sun, backwards. NOS, meaning hours. Do you know that the numeric value for Jack is 1132? Same numeric value. I'm going to let you go right now, Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.